Welcome to another captivating adventure with VueX, y'all. Get ready, because we're about to dive into the tropical paradise of Sri Lanka. This island gem is bursting with ancient history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking landscapes. Over 14 glorious days, we'll explore bustling cities, climb ancient fortresses, wander through tea plantations, and spot exotic wildlife. This itinerary is your ticket to an unforgettable Sri Lankan experience. So pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and let's get this adventure started. Are you excited? I know I am. Sri Lanka has been on my travel bucket list forever, and I can't wait to share its magic with you. Welcome to Colombo, Sri Lanka's vibrant capital city. After landing at Bandaranaike International Airport, grab a taxi, it's around 3,000 LKR, and head to your hotel. For the next 3 days, we'll be soaking up Colombo's unique blend of old and new. Explore the historic Fort District, wander through the bustling Petta Market, and admire the beautiful Gangaramaya Temple. For dinner, indulge in delicious Sri Lankan cuisine at Upali's, which is about 2,000 LKR for two. Don't forget to try the kotu roti. Accommodation. You can find comfortable double rooms in Colombo for around 5,000 LKR per night. Today we're off to Sigiriya, home to the iconic Lion Rock. Hire a car and driver, it's around 6,000 LKR per day, for the scenic 4-hour drive. Climb the ancient rock fortress of Sigiriya with an entrance fee of 6,500 LKR, and be rewarded with breathtaking views. In the afternoon, explore the Dambulla Cave Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with an entrance fee of 3,000 LKR. For dinner, enjoy traditional Sri Lankan rice and curry at Heritage Kandalama, which is around 4,000 LKR for two, with stunning views of Sigiriya Rock. Accommodation. Stay in a charming guest house near Sigiriya for around 4,000 LKR per night. Next stop, Kandy. Hop on a scenic train ride from Sigiriya to Kandy, which is around 1,000 LKR for two. The journey takes about 4 hours and offers breathtaking views of tea plantations and rolling hills. In Kandy, visit the Temple of the Tooth Relic, a sacred Buddhist site with an entrance fee of 1,500 LKR. Don't miss the traditional Kandian dance performance in the evening. For a special treat, enjoy dinner at the Kandy House, which is around 6,000 LKR for two, a beautiful Colonial-era hotel. Accommodation. Find comfortable double rooms in Kandy for around 6,000 LKR per night. Section 5, Day 8 to 9. Ella, Hiking Adventures and Tea Plantations. Welcome to the heart of Sri Lanka's hill country, where adventure and tranquility blend seamlessly. Get ready for some adventure in Ella. This charming town is a haven for hikers and nature lovers alike. Take a bus from Kandy to Ella, which costs around 1,500 LKR for two, and enjoy the scenic 6-hour journey through the hill country. The winding roads offer breathtaking views of lush green hills and cascading waterfalls, making the journey as memorable as the destination. Hike to Ella Rock or Little Adams Peak for stunning views of the surrounding tea plantations. These trails are perfect for both seasoned hikers and beginners, offering a mix of challenging climbs and gentle slopes. The panoramic vistas from the peaks are truly worth the effort. Visit the 9 Arches Bridge, an iconic railway bridge, and learn about tea production at a local factory. The bridge, with its impressive architecture, is a favorite spot for photographers. Meanwhile, the tea factory tour provides a fascinating insight into the process of tea making, from plucking the leaves to the final product. Enjoy dinner at Cafe Chill, which costs around 2,500 LKR for two, a popular spot with delicious food and panoramic views. The menu offers a variety of local and international dishes, ensuring there's something for everyone. The relaxed atmosphere and friendly service make it a perfect place to unwind after a day of exploration. Accommodation. Stay in a cozy guest house in Ella for around 3,500 LKR per night. These guest houses often offer stunning views of the surrounding hills and tea plantations, providing a peaceful retreat. Many also include breakfast, giving you a perfect start to your day of adventure in Ella. Section 6, Day 10 to 11. Yala National Park, Wildlife Safari and Coastal Beauty. Next, we're off on a wildlife adventure. Take a bus from Ella to Yala National Park, which costs around 2,000 LKR for two and takes about 6 hours. Embark on a thrilling Jeep safari, costing around 12,000 LKR for two, in Yala National Park, home to leopards, elephants, sloth bears, and more. Relax on the beautiful beaches near Yala, such as Marissa or Tangale. For dinner, enjoy fresh seafood at a beachside restaurant in Marissa, costing around 3,000 LKR for two. Accommodation, stay in a comfortable cabana near Yala National Park for around 5,000 LKR per night. Section 7, Day 12 to 13. Galle, Dutch Fort, and Beach Relaxation. Our next stop is Galle, a charming coastal town. Take a bus from Yala National Park to Galle, which costs around 1,500 LKR for two, and takes about 4 hours. Explore the historic Galle Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and learn about its fascinating colonial past. Relax on the beautiful beaches of Unawatuna or Marissa, known for their golden sands and clear waters. For a special dinner, head to the Fort Printers, costing around 5,000 LKR for two, a beautifully restored colonial building. Accommodation. Stay in a boutique hotel within Galle Fort for around 7,000 LKR per night. Section 8. Day 14. Departure. Farewell to paradise. Sadly, it's time to bid farewell to beautiful Sri Lanka. Enjoy a leisurely breakfast, reminiscing about your incredible adventure. Take a taxi from Galle to Bandaranaike International Airport for your flight home, which costs around 10,000 LKR. As you fly home, cherish the memories you've made and start planning your next trip back to this magical island. Section 9. Total Trip Cost Breakdown. In this section, we will delve into the various expenses you can expect on your 14-day journey through the beautiful island of Sri Lanka. Here's a detailed breakdown of the estimated total cost for this incredible 14-day Sri Lankan adventure for two people. This will help you plan your budget effectively and ensure you have a stress-free vacation. Accommodation for 13 nights is around 65,000 LKR. This includes staying in comfortable hotels with great amenities and beautiful views, ensuring you have a relaxing place to return to after your daily adventures. Flights, round trip, are approximately $1,500, which is about 300,000 LKR. Booking your flights in advance can help you secure better deals and save on travel costs. Car rental for 6 days comes to 36,000 LKR. Renting a car gives you the freedom to explore the island at your own pace, visiting off-the-beaten-path locations and enjoying scenic drives. Transportation, including buses and taxis, is around 20,000 LKR. Public transportation is a cost-effective way to get around, and taxis are convenient for shorter trips within cities. Food for 14 days is about 60,000 LKR. This includes dining at local restaurants, trying traditional Sri Lankan dishes, and enjoying street food. The culinary experience in Sri Lanka is diverse and delicious. Activities, such as entrance fees and safaris, come to 30,000 LKR. This covers a range of experiences, from exploring historical sites to going on wildlife safaris, ensuring you make the most of your trip. The total estimated cost is 491,000 LKR, which is approximately $2,455. This comprehensive budget includes all major expenses, giving you a clear idea of what to expect. Please note that these costs are approximate and can vary depending on your travel style, preferences, and currency exchange rates. It's always a good idea to have a buffer in your budget for unexpected expenses or spontaneous activities. Section 10. Packing tips and best time to visit. Here are some packing tips to make your Sri Lankan adventure even smoother. Light, breathable clothing is a must, since Sri Lanka is a tropical country, so pack for warm weather. Think cotton shirts, shorts, and dresses that will keep you cool and comfortable. Comfortable walking shoes are essential because you'll be doing a lot of exploring. Whether you're hiking through lush rainforests, strolling through bustling markets, or wandering around ancient ruins, your feet will thank you. Don't forget a swimsuit and sunscreen for those beach days. Sri Lanka boasts some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, and you'll want to be prepared to soak up the sun and take a dip in the crystal clear waters. Insect repellent is a good idea to keep those pesky mosquitoes at bay, especially if you plan on spending time in the countryside or near water bodies. A good insect repellent will ensure you stay bite-free. A sarong or shawl is useful for visiting temples and religious sites. Sri Lanka is rich in cultural heritage, and many of its temples require modest dress. A lightweight sarong or shawl can easily be carried in your bag and used when needed. The best time to visit Sri Lanka is during the dry season, which runs from December to April for the west and south coasts, and from May to September for the east coast. This ensures you get the most out of your trip with plenty of sunshine and minimal rain. However, if you prefer fewer crowds and don't mind a bit of rain, the off-season can also be a great time to explore the island's beauty. So there you have it, your ultimate 2-week Sri Lanka tour guide. From ancient wonders to pristine beaches, this itinerary has it all. What are you waiting for? Start planning your Sri Lankan adventure today. And don't forget to share your thoughts, questions, and travel tips in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your travel buddies, and subscribe to VueX for more exciting adventures. Until next time, safe travels from your travel buddy, VueX.